Light, loud, and legendary, the Yamaha YZ125 is back for 2026, and it's proof that two-strokes are far from dead. If you crave that raw, high-revving power and razor-sharp handling, you're going to want to stick around. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews. Today we're taking a quick ride through everything new, and still awesome, about the 2026 YZ125. Design. Yamaha has kept the YZ125's aggressive silhouette but tightened things up for 2026. The plastics are sharper, the ergonomics are slightly refined, and the bike just feels more modern without losing its classic identity. The slim seat, narrow tank, and central mass design all contribute to that lightweight, flickable feel riders love. Performance. At the heart of the YZ125 is the same high-revving 125 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine, now with updated port timing and a revised exhaust system. The result? A snappier power band and better throttle response out of corners. It still rewards precision and momentum, making it perfect for riders who want to sharpen their skills. The KYB suspension is fully adjustable and dialed in for aggressive motocross use, plush on landings, responsive in ruts. Features and technology. While the YZ125 keeps things relatively simple, true to its two-stroke roots, there are a few thoughtful upgrades. The 2026 model includes a lighter subframe, updated air intake for better flow, and revised mapping to optimize fuel delivery. The new handlebar bend and grips offer better rider comfort and control, and the revised brake setup offers more bite and consistency. Conclusion. The 2026 YZ125 doesn't try to reinvent the wheel, it just keeps perfecting a formula that works. It's fast, fun, and incredibly rewarding to ride. So, is this your next two-stroke weapon of choice? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share it with your moto crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more clear-cut bike insights, 2 minutes at a time. Catch you at the track, ride hard and stay safe.